More than 80% of Cook Islanders are overweight, and this can lead to non-communicable diseases, NCDs, like diabetes, high blood pressure and strokes. To push home a healthy living message, public health staff organised an NCD awareness carnival in the middle of Avarua, with a number of free activities available. Fresh food and plants were for sale. Free health checks looked at weight, blood sugar and blood pressure. School kids took part in football and rugby related activities. The highlight was a mass Sunda street party, with hundreds joining in despite the heat. The carnival was part of an awareness campaign challenging Cook Islanders to live 530, eat 5 servings of fruit and veggies and do 30 minutes of exercise each day.